All right, this problem 11.3.31 in Algebra 2. They give us two of these histogram-looking graphs here, and these dot plots, and they say that the first one is one person's yard, and the second one's the other person's yard, and each dot is the length of a shadow, and they're measured. It's important up here. It says the same time of day. So the first question we have is, what's the median here? So what would be the middle in the list? So you've got 5 data points here, 5 here. So it's going to split right in between them. So this would be a 15. This would be a 15 in this first spot right here for that one. And if you come down here, so these are going to end up right in the middle, because if you take these 2 dots off the left, take 2 of them off the right, take one off here, you're still going to be left right here in the middle. So on here, you're going to be at 50 for the middle number in the list. And you can write them all out if you'd like to, but you can tell it pretty good just off these dot plots. Now the next one says to make a comparative inference. Now remember, these are the same time of day. So in this neighbor X's yard, the shadow's length at the same time of day are 10 to 20 feet long, where in the other neighbor's yard, the shadow lengths are averaging out like 50 feet long. And so what does that mean? But neighbor Y has bigger trees in their yard. So which one of these statements over here? Most of the pine trees in neighbor X's yard are older. No, the older trees would have a longer shadow, I would think. So most of the pine trees in Y's yard are older than I think that one is going to be what sounds good, but let's see what we get in these other two. There are more trees. Now let's talk about the shadow length. So it's not anything about the number of trees. It's the length of each tree's shadow. So that B right there would be the one that we were after.